the Wishmakers series, and I'm here at Page Burners today to talk about the first book in my series, Sticks and Stones. So the first question is, what inspired me to write this story? And quite honestly, I don't remember. The first draft was written so many years ago. It was originally a middle grade novel, and I knew something wasn't right about it. I didn't know what, but it just felt like something was missing. So I put it aside. I knew that the story would be about a girl who accidentally wishes her imaginary friend to life, and I knew that there would be a genie called a wish mistress, and that's all I knew. So when I rewrote it as a young adult novel, there it was, and everything looked great for me. Second question, who is my favorite character and why? Hands down the genie, Desiree. Desiree is just, she's complex, and the more I wrote her, the deeper she got, and she's flawed and fabulous, and she's my favorite of all times. And fortunately, my fans say the same thing, so that's pretty cool. If my book had a candle, what name and scent would I choose for it? Well, since the story is told in two parts, both from Mandy, the main character, and Desiree, the genie, I guess I'd have to have two candles. Mandy is a wannabe chef, and she loves apples. Green apple is her favorite color. Apple pie is her favorite thing to make. So Mandy would have a green apple candle. And Desiree, since she is a hippie right out of Woodstock, she would be patchouli and sandalwood. I don't know what I'd call either of them, but those are the scents. All right, fourth question. What is my writing routine? I prefer to write first thing in the morning before, the day takes over and my brain is still fresh. So I write in the morning and I do the writing business stuff in the afternoon. Am I a pantser or a plotter? Well, I'm kind of a plotzer. I like to know what the big points in a story are, and then I kind of pants it from point A to point B, and then B to C, and so on till the end. And I always know the end before I start writing. Question 6, is there a snack or drink I have on hand while writing? Well, I have coffee in the morning and tea in the afternoon, hot tea in the winter and iced tea in the summer. And I have been known to have a stash of dark chocolate covered almonds on my desk as I write. Question 7, what book am I currently reading? It's called Priceless by Shannon Mayer. It's an urban fantasy, and I just started it. I'm probably about 40% through, and I'm really loving it. It's great. 8, what am I currently writing? Well, actually, I'm kind of at a weird place right now because I finished my Wishmakers series, and I just released the second book in my adult mystery novella series. So I'm kind of looking for a project. I know what it's going to be. I'm working on it now. It doesn't have a title, but it's going to be a fantasy mystery blend, which I'm pretty excited about. And finally, where can you go to find me on social media? Well, you can go to my website, shawn-mcguire.com. You can find me on Facebook at Shawn McGuire Author. My Twitter handle is Shawn_McGuire. And on my website, you can find other things. I'm also on Instagram and Pinterest. So thank you, Page Burners, for having me. This was a blast.